Yes, you saw that right. Free, unlimited, and not heavily censored. All the images you're looking at right now were not created using SeaDream, Midjourney, or Flux. Nope. Every single one of these was created using a completely underrated but incredibly powerful AI image generator, and as you can see, the results are absolutely stunning. And the crazy part? It doesn't just generate images, it can edit images too, on the same level as SeaDream and Nano Banana. In some cases, even better. If you're a content creator, this tool is going to level up your images instantly. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, step by step, and I'll include all the prompts I used so you can reproduce these results. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The name of the tool is Reeve. It's actually been around for a while, but they recently dropped a massive update. And trust me, it's really good. I honestly don't understand why nobody is talking about this. Tools like Nano Banana get all the hype. Meanwhile, Reeve is sitting quietly in the background doing mind-blowing work. But not anymore. To get started, click the link in the description and sign up using your email. Once you're in, you'll see this interface. You'll notice two main options. Start with text, which is text to image, and start with image, which is image to image in editing. Let's begin with text to image. Click Start with Text, then choose the Prompt for an Image Directly option. Here's the first simple prompt we'll use. A beautiful woman in corporate dress looking at the camera. Adjust your aspect ratio and image count if you want, then click Generate. Just look at this. It doesn't look heavily processed like most AI images. The natural skin texture, the way the light hits her face, the tiny imperfections, it all feels alive and real. And the eyes? Perfect. Depth, reflection, color variation, no uncanny valley. Reeve absolutely nailed this. All right, let's go cinematic. Here's the next prompt. Epic medieval fantasy portrait of a warrior with a fur cloak, dark moody lighting, cold sidelight on the face, cinematic atmosphere, Game of Thrones style, detailed textures, realistic hair and fur, dramatic composition. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, this looks like it came straight out of Game of Thrones. The mood, the fur textures, the cold cinematic lighting, everything feels intentional and authentic. This is professional level fantasy art for free. Now let's try an anime-style scene. Anime-style illustration of a peaceful summer meadow. Bright green grass, warm sunlight filtering through the trees, small red flowers scattered around, vibrant colors, soft shadows, Ghibli-inspired atmosphere. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful! The greens are vibrant, the lighting is warm, those little red flowers add just the right amount of color. It feels like a perfect summer day frozen in time. Pure visual poetry. Now let's test the real power, editing images. Select the original image, then enter this prompt. Create a side profile version of this person, consistent lighting and hairstyle, same expression, and overall look, natural and realistic. Look at that! It created a perfect side profile shot and everything blends beautifully. This is on the level of Nano Banana and SeaDream. Now let's push it further. Create a back view shot of the same person, consistent hairstyle and clothing, realistic lighting and anatomy. As expected, flawless. Different angle, same person. Absolute next level stuff. You can upload your own images too by clicking on the plus button here. Let's try that. Make him smile naturally while keeping the face shape, lighting, and identity consistent and realistic. Wow, this smile looks natural. Not the weird AI stretchy smile you see in other generators. And his identity stayed 100% consistent. Let's try something else. Modify the expression slightly to a soft, happy look. Adjust minor outfit details. Keep identity perfectly consistent and realistic. This is insane! Smooth blending, perfect consistency. This is truly Nano Banana level editing. Create a creative variation of this character while keeping the face identical. adjust lighting, add subtle atmosphere, maintain realism. I have no words. This is next level AI image editing, period. So there you have it, folks. An AI image generator that is free, unlimited, and ridiculously powerful. You can generate cinematic portraits, anime art, fantasy scenes, and create multiple angles, edits, and expressions of the same person. Go try it now and create amazing content. And if you want my full prompt guide, drop a comment below and I'll share it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.